Indeed.
Okay. All right. I want to ask a very important question. I'm not going to ask why Nnamdi Kanu has not been released, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, but I'm going to ask, what do you people think that the Igbos should do, or we should do, to make sure that he will be released? Because the politicians have played politics with Nnamdi Kanu. Today, the governors will go and tell you that they are going to meet president. Tomorrow, they said the whole senators have signed a memorandum, or they have signed memo to president to release him. We have been seeing drama upon drama, but up to today, nothing works. So what do people think that we are going to do to make sure that he will be free?
Mm-hmm. Now, okay, if you look, when it comes to Nnamdi, you can see that sometimes it's like, because of the sin meted against one man, God can decide to destroy a nation, because Nnamdi Kanu loved everybody, including the Northerners, all of it. All he wanted was for people to be able to live freely, live as a normal human being, be able to decide for yourself. For Christ's sake, go all over the world. I've traveled virtually everywhere. Where is it that you can lump people, different countries, different people into one country without their concept and without giving them the opportunity? Because if people don't know, it is a hostage. Nigeria is a hostage. It's a capture, with gun on their head. If you talk about self-determination, either they arrest you, they kidnap you, or they buy you, or you talk about referendum, none of it works. So it's a classic case of a hostage, right?
Okay.
But Nnamdi Kanu simply advocate, give the people referendum, stop holding them hostage. If they vote that they want to stay in Nigeria, that will be the end of it. You will never hear him talk about Biafra again. He said that.
He said, yeah.
Yeah. If the Biafran people say they want to, because majority always carry the vote. But guess what? They say that referendum, the Ruben Abati, the evil people of this world, they say that there's no referendum in the constitution. Now, but there's no referendum in the constitution, but it was removed. It's not like it was not there. It was people who removed it because they know what they are going to achieve, and they know that these days we are going to be coming, so they remove it. So on the other hand, because I had a confrontation with somebody, and he said to me, well, the Biafran politicians, the Igbo leaders, they should sponsor the bill in National Assembly. I said, you are insane to say that. The same people who are enjoying the Nigerian, who Nigeria is their milk and honey, the senators, the rep, and the governor, and the one you think you're going to raise a bill.
So what do we do now?
Yeah, well, that is the issue. With Nnamdi Kanu, I can guarantee you that his life, everything is in the hand of God. He's coming out. I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know it's going to happen. But not because of this politician, because I know the aim and the plan of the politician.
You are talking based on hope, no reality on ground.
Well, because the reality on the ground is that, I don't know, I will also have to listen to you. There's nothing we can do in terms of, listen, because listen, bro, let me just say this. If Nigeria was a country, that's why we keep saying Nigeria is not a country. If Nigeria was a country with normal people, they're supposed to, the youth, they're supposed to put on a uniform front and confront the government and say that this man, the court has discharged him, let him go. If he doesn't go, we will continue on this protest. If it takes 1 year, if you know what I mean, the government will have no choice but will succumb. But that doesn't ever happen in Nigeria.
That was the essence of sit at home, That was the essence of sit at home.
In Biafra, in the southeast.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they are not doing it. But other people, the Yorubas, the Northerners, they are not doing it because they are not affected. It's Nnamdi Kanu, it's Igbo man. So, but that's the thing. If everybody come together and do it, it will release him because the court of competent jurisdiction has freed him. Why are they holding him? That is in violation of the law. But they will not do it because it's an Igbo man who wants a self-determination, which is a right of everybody. Shetima went to UN and told the world that self-determination is a right of everybody, including Palestinians. But what about Biafrans? Are they not human beings? So you want self-determination for Palestinians, but you don't want it for Biafrans, who went into a war for 3 years. Millions of people died in the process. Why do you continue to hold them captive in Nigeria? So that's the question, my brother. I hope I answered your question. I don't know.
Yeah. You try. Mr. Bendon, you have the floor. Let's
hear so in this issue, my own contribution to it is this. You see, to me, let me be realistic here. I don't want to live on hope. You understand? Let me be realistic. If it will be possible, you see, Igbos, they have politicians who are elites. You understand me? They have senators, they have governors, they have everything, you know. Now, what will happen? We know that these people, they are actually the one who is making the release of Nnamdi Kanu to be difficult, so that Biafra will not come because of what they are benefiting from Nigerian government. You understand me? And this is why they will not even walk to that phase of making Nnamdi Kanu have his freedom. So what I will suggest that should be done is this. It is not going to be easy, but for you to achieve anything paramount, you need to take some paramount risk. You understand me? Now, in Igbo lands, they have traditional rulers, right? They have people who can talk to governors, who can talk to the senators and all of that. If everybody should come cooperatively, there is a say in my language that onyo who are sending and onyo who are calling. That is, one person cannot answer all of us. You understand? And one person cannot be bigger than than the whole land, the community. Which means that even if you are a governor, does not mean you own everybody or you are superior to everybody. This is where cooperation and unity come in. If the whole Igbos can be cooperative to team together, all those who are not politicians, and put these politicians in something I call tight corner, you understand? You can make a stampede. If, in fact, they can stampede every area of their functioning and give the release of Nnamdi Kanu as a condition. Let them sponsor the bill, like that man said. They should sponsor the bill, you know, in the Senate or House of Assembly, National Assembly.
But the majority are not in the Senate House, so don't forget that.
No, it does. No, you see, there is a kind of situation. So long they are in that house, if such commotion should come, you will see that there are some northern people that are they are not against the Igbos. There are some northern people that are for.
You are missing the point.
Some northern. You said?
You are missing the point.
There are some. You can't tell the mind of people. There are people who are following people. You understand me? Some people are doing because my brother is doing.
Why?
But
why I said that you are missing the point is that there's no politician in Igbo land, a senator, a representative, a governor who will go and sponsor the bill. One. And two, if the Igbo youth, like you say, if they come out, they slaughter them. They've done it in the past. They will use the Nigerian system. Is that Fulani hijack Nigerian system? They will use it to slaughter the Igbo youths, and nothing will happen. Heaven will not fall. It happens all the time.
That is because they are going through it in the wrong way. The target should be these people. The target should be these people, not people who are not involved. You understand me? The target should be the politicians.
Huh? Politicians that you cannot reach.
The target should be the politicians. You understand? Keep them right in a place where, you know, just the same way they have held Nnamdi Kanu captive. You understand me? Keep all of them, gather them all in a place. You
think it's easy? You are in Nigeria now.
It's not easy. That is why I say it's not easy. But if this is not, I'm telling you, you may have
politicians that have military men surrender them everywhere with all the arms ready to shoot and kill. And so it's not easy. You can't even how many of these governors have you seen one-on-one?
This is why I am involved in everything I have said. I always involve tradition because I believe in one thing. You see, issues like this, you cannot go with ordinary hands. You understand me? So you what is pepper fruit? You understand?
Yeah.
You don't chew it with ordinary hand. You understand me?
These politicians, they don't care about the traditional chief you talk about, because Hope was on them, they were all there when the highest ranking traditional Igbo man went to talk to Buhari about Nnamdi Kanu, and he talked to Igbo politicians, but they just look at him like, old man, go and sit down, Jared. If the man thought finish, he don't die now.
My brother, there is something that happened to them, which and every one of them, they will be forced to do something they don't want to do. You understand me? See, when the kingdom of God suffered violence, I'm not a gospel preacher. I'm not, I don't believe in all of that. But when the kingdom of God suffered violence during the time of John the Baptist, you understand? The violence was taken by force. See, in life, there is a saying in my language that when the tone of music changes, the dance step changes, right? See, in a critical measures, the critical conditions deserve critical measures for it to be tackled. But the thing is, who is ready to take the bold step? You understand me? This needs, we are Igbos, that's the Igbos, traditional people. I believe there is still that African power. Like I believe so much in fortification. You understand me? Before these kind of things are done in the preparation, it is not everybody that will be involved. There are some calibers of people that will be involved, and they will be well fortified to do the work. You understand me? All these governors, all of them, keep these people ransom. Hold them. In fact, let them face pain. Let them be in a condition that they never dreamed to be in life. You will see that they will force. Nnamdi Kanu will come out.
Something is happening. It may be slow, but something is happening. It's brewing. A journey of a million miles sometimes can just take a step. It's brewing because something is going to have to give. What did I want to tell
you? You see, Igbo politicians. If Igbo politicians have no hand in the case of Nnamdi Kanu, they're supposed to have released him.
Oh no, they are the one holding. I've been saying it from day one. I've been saying that it's Igbo. It's not Tinubu. It's not
Igbo politicians. They need to put pressure on them. It's not that they cannot even withstand.
Yeah, of course, the Fulanis, they don't want him out, but they are not the primary problem. No, it's the Igbo politicians. They don't want him out because they don't want Biafra. They don't want to live in a sane society. The problem with politicians in Nigeria is that
because they don't want to are benefiting.
Yeah, it's just so simple. They don't want to live in a normal society where every child, whether you be poor, picking, whether you be widow, whether you be orphanage, will have the opportunity to go to university and the government will take care of it. That's how it is in Western world. But they don't want to live in that reality. They don't want it because they enjoy the disparity between you and them. They enjoy it. It makes them feel like they are God. They go with convoy. Their children in all the best schools all over the world, and you come and serve them, wash their car. It's just black man. It's pathetic. It is pathetic. So, but like I was gonna say, you see Egypt. What changed Egypt? The revolution that happened in Egypt. I was going to go to Cairo when this thing happened. A friend told me, "Don't go there. That you may be trapped there." So there's a graduate no, that was Tunisia. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. That was Tunisia.
Yeah.
That was a graduate.
The Arab Spring.
That was the Arab Spring. That's where it started. A graduate from school, finished. No job, no money, no nothing, hunger, the shoe is worn out, everything. He just wrote a piece of paper, wrote like a memo, and he came out to Times Square, pumped petrol on himself, set fire and burned himself to death. And people picked it up and they read why he committed that act. That is what triggered it. You cannot believe everybody came on board. Oh, the young women, everybody came. That is what changed it. That is when you know a country that has one voice. If you go and do it in Nigeria, you die for nothing. Because who cares? Nobody cares. How many times Sowore has come for? How many people will come? If they come safe, maybe they kill one or two.
They will charge the treason.
Exactly. And the judiciary, right, because they are. My brother, okay.
No problem. Let us go to WhatsApp because a lot of people have been calling on WhatsApp. Let us go and respond to some calls there.